too much or leave it down too much. And the whole thing at the end was just great. I love watching you come into yourself through the season already. This was your best performance tonight, baby.
Thank you.
Candy girl.
Good, Mickey, how are you?
Good. You kept your eyes alive through the whole performance, and I'm really proud of you for that. It was very exciting, and you stayed in it completely. And I think what Keith said is right. I mean, you do a great job of not overdoing it. So when you